Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Luca for anyone that is new here. The slickback is easily one of my favourite hairstyles of all time. So we'll be kicking this year off with a super simple, no BS slickback hairstyle tutorial. So first and foremost, let's talk about what you will need. Before we even get into products and tools that you will need, by far the most important is your hair measurements. By far the most common question I get when it comes to slickbacks is basically people saying that their hair splits throughout the day, and 9 out of 10 times the reason for that is because their hair length just isn't there yet. So keep that in mind, 6 to 7 inches. It should take about 3 to 4 months of hair growth, but hopefully this video inspires you to get there if you're not already. In terms of tools that you will need, a decent blow dryer isn't required, but it helps a ton. To keep things really simple, you want a blow dryer within the 2000 to 2400 wattage range. That just ensures there's enough power to really guide and direct the hair in the direction you want it. The second tool is a brush, and again, it's personal preference. You can use a wide tooth comb, you can use a finer tooth comb. I personally use a vented brush, but since the nature of a slickback is to look kind of neat, I do suggest using some sort of brush just to guide the hair. And in terms of the products that you need, it really comes down to personal preference in terms of how you want your slickback to actually look. For your more classic greaser high shine looks, you typically want to go for a oil-based high shine pomade. Black and white is a perfect example. And for your more modern kind of natural looking slickbacks, you can get away with using a medium to low shine pomade, or even a high holding matte clay. So for example, HANZ FUKO CLAYMATION works amazingly. I'll personally be using Avada's thickening tonic as a pre-styler. It'll work great for those of you who have thinner or finer hair. It really just boosts and plumps the hair so that you can get that like cosmetic appearance of thicker and fuller hair. As my pomade, I'll be using Blue Mon's 5th sample. It's a high hold with a low shine, so I'm going for more of that modern looking slick back. So getting into it step by step, we're firstly gonna start off with wet, clean hair. Apply your pre-styler. So as I said, mine is Avada's thickening tonic, but if you're not using a pre-styler, just go in with a round of your pomade, whichever it is. This way we're layering the product, and it will also help you in the styling process as you blow dry your hair backwards. So using your brush and your blow dryer, we're gonna comb the hair backwards while blow drying. Once the hair's about 80 to 85% dry and in the direction you want it, we're gonna go in with our second application of pomade or high holding clay or whatever it is you're using. Step 5 is to blow dry if required. You might have found that during the second application, the product actually absorbed the remaining moisture, so blow dry if it hasn't. And then our last and optional step is hairspray. I'll let you guys be the judge as to whether you think you need some hairspray. Again, as personal preference, I don't typically go in with hairspray, but if you want that firm hold, by all means, go wild. And that brings this video to an end. Since I haven't uploaded in so long, I thought I would do just a little giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away 2 jars of claymation so that 2 of you guys at home can replicate this hairstyle or use the jar however you like. Just simply leave a like on this video, comment some form of your social media, and be subscribed to the channel. And until then, I will see you all later this week with a skincare video. Take care guys, bye bye.